We're showcasing a host of video wall solutions. We have our traditional ultra narrow 3.5 millimeter bezel to bezel. And for the first time, we are showcasing a broadcast studio solution. The key features are the 3.5 millimeter bezel to bezel, 24/7 performance, always on, 700 nit high brightness solution, good for high ambient light conditions. And of course, the factory calibration and onboard calibration tool that's provided. Calibration is so important for video walls because it is very time consuming to make sure all the panels are set at the same white balance, the same gamma, and the same color. So Samsung now factory calibrates all of our video wall displays so that it minimizes the install time and then it optimizes the color performance. Your typical vertical markets for video wall would be retail, corporate lobbies, command control centers, and broadcast studios. Traditional video wall technologies are not designed for broadcast studios because the color temperature is not matched to the broadcast camera. Our new video wall broadcast solution has a color temperature that now matches the broadcast camera to optimize the viewing experience. Businesses can create really any configuration with our video walls. You could do the traditional 16:9 rectangular type form, or you can also construct a mosaic type design. Our video wall technology has now achieved a 3.5 millimeter bezel to bezel specification, allowing for a near seamless experience.